Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. NITORI is Japan's largest furniture and home furnishing retailer, offering a wide range of home products and services nationwide. NITORI Co., Ltd., founded in 1967 in Sapporo by Akio Nitori, is a leading Japanese retailer specializing in furniture, homeware, and interior products. The company operates over 900 stores in Japan and has expanded internationally with locations in China, Southeast Asia, and the United States under the Aki Home brand. NITORI is known for combining functional design with Japanese aesthetics, providing affordable and practical solutions for home living. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Products and services. NITORI provides a broad range of products, including furniture, beds, sofas, tables, chairs, storage units, and office furniture. Homeware, kitchen appliances, cookware, tableware, and home decor. Bedding and textiles, mattresses, futons, blankets, pillows, and in-cool series for seasonal comfort. Interior solutions, curtains, rugs, lighting, and organizational products. Services, delivery, assembly, in-store consultation, and membership benefits for frequent shoppers. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Notable achievements: ranked as the #1 most desirable company for new graduates in Japan in 2023 and 2024. Recognized for innovative product lines like the Cool Bedding series and multifunctional furniture. Active in product safety and recalls, including past recalls of diatomaceous earth products due to asbestos contamination, demonstrating commitment to consumer safety. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. NITORI continues to be a trusted and popular brand in Japan, offering practical, stylish, and affordable solutions for modern living, both in-store and online. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.